Hello, 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 everyone. It is me, it is I, it is she, it is her, it is thee, it is who? It is Rosie Rosette. Rosie Rosette who? You were a mistake. You guys like my things? Rosie Rosette, I don't know. Who am I? Rosie Rosette 2020. Pow. How are you guys doing today? I hope fine. I am doing. How am I doing? Oh, I got a shot. Ooh, honey, he lit me up. He gave me a shot from here to here, baby. I'm just like, oh, I'm gonna be the Hulk pretty soon. I'm gonna be the Hulk. I don't know, man. All this. Listen, he gave me. This has nothing to do with COVID. Well, maybe it does, but the doctor lit up. Gave me a shot all right here, all kinds of steroids or whatever, honey. He lit it up. And you guys know I'm not a druggie, okay? I rarely drink. I did drink last Friday after my cousin's, funeral or whatever. I was making the strawberry margaritas, but I rarely drink. That's the first time I drank since my birthday in June. Yeah. And I was at Oceans in Las Vegas for the happy hour. The drinks are $3. 3 for 6. Or something like that. $3 each, but you got to drink it. So I had something like that. And then for lunch from 10 till 5, I think it's $5. All the plates are $5. Oh yes, honey. Oceans and the Miracle Mall. That's it. That's it. Oh, you can do Vegas cheap. There's a spot where you can get a breakfast for 1.99. I was supposed to go around. Okay, listen. This is not a Vegas video. Ooh, okay. So let's get jump to it, okay? Because okay, so that's 1 minute. All right. So 5 hours ago, new COVID-19 sick pay approved by California lawmakers. Oh, I heard February 15th that we won't have to have indoor masks, but I think you have to be fully vaccinated. So these people in my building, this one guy's like, no, I don't have any vaccinations. I didn't get any. I was like, what? And then I was just like, okay, okay, you playing Jeopardy with your life, but all right, you know what? Okay. California lawmakers votes to require paid COVID-19 leave, sick leave. So you know what? I said all that to say because if I'm like, I don't know. Okay, so after he gave me the shots, I was high. I'm not lying. I was like, did you pumping some hair on or something in me? Because I was like, because the last time he did it on this side, I was like, oh, it hurts. And he did it, and I was just like, I was just like, so like, I got to go to not Gilroy, but Morgan Hill. Now, I'm still kind of high. My son was like, why don't you, just take a shower and go to bed? I was like, no, I got to do this. He was like, you know what, you can. But you know what? This relaxes me, because then I have like anxiety because I'm like, oh, I need to be doing the videos. I got my face on, got the wig on or whatever. I don't want to be the mistake or whatever. I like sharing with you guys since I don't, it ain't like I'm picking up my phone to talk to you. So I can make this video that y'all can know everything. Well, not everything, but what I want y'all to know about today. So anyway, he did it today. And first he was like, is this tender? Is this tender? And he said my muscles are real tense. And since whatever's going on, that they're stiff or whatever, and that means blood is not circulating to them. So I was like, well, can you hook me up with a gym membership or exercise bike? Because I really need to start exercising. You guys know I'm a gym rat. I was a gym rat. I guess 2, 3 years ago I was a gym rat, and then it all stopped. I don't know. Oh, the COVID. Hello, COVID. And I'm 60 pounds heavier now. But so I was high. I was high today. I still am a little high. So, if I'm already slow. I breathe slow, I talk slow, whatever. But if I'm talking a little slower or, a little faster, whatever, I don't know. Oh no, I'm kind of scared to go to sleep because I'm just like, I was like, okay, I'm high. I feel a little funny, a little woozy. So I went across the street and had some nachos. I was supposed to be on a diet, but see, I didn't have anything to eat today. So he did that, and I was like, ooh, and it's like 30-minute drive. So I'm just like, oh no, honey, no. And then okay. So anyway, let's just go on with this. Let's go on with this. I'll, whatever. Okay, so COVID paid leave boost for California workers goes to Newsom. California coronavirus updates. SCUSD transportation workers want something. California to ease COVID rules in path of endemic. Is it the end of the endemic? I don't know. Strategy. I thought endemic meant an area, but you know what? I guess I missed that. Didn't we look it up? California 19, California mask mandate to end February 15th. I told you. Cases. Deaths still a mixed bag in Coachella Valley. I don't know. California to lift mask mandate indoor public places. COVID updates. New infections, hospitalizations falling fast as across California. She looks like I got, you know how when they numb you? So I'm telling you, so this side of my body, like literally this side, I don't know. You guys tell me if my face, I know this eyelash is looking like it, it's on a relapse or whatever. That's not my eyes, that's these eyelashes. I don't know why. See, this is what happens when you get the, I'm gonna have to open up my own eyelash thing. Okay. Anyway, okay, new COVID-19 strain found in in California's wastewater system. Here we go. Well, they said that we have to get another booster. New Jersey, California, among states moving to ease COVID-19 probably rules or whatever. California coronavirus updates. California passes 80. Okay, we already know that. We already know that. No, we did that. Okay, Omicron in California, latest news and updates. We did that. Let's see, 2 hours ago, California to end indoor mask mandate. We touched on that. Wastewater, we just talked about that. What will endemic COVID-19 look like? Not like the flu, more like a cold. Sinai doctor says. 7 hours ago, Dr. COVID-19 as endemic will look more like a cold than a flu. 6 minutes ago, COVID updates. Several states moved to end more mask mandates. You know what? I'm happy. I'm real happy because I can't breathe in them. And then they mess up my lipstick, which is, that's not even a first world problem. That's a vein problem, which is, sorry. In rural California, the unvaccinated and ill overwhelm hospital staff. California lawmakers approved 2022 COVID-19 sick leave. Well, that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, page 4. Let's get to the numbers. All right. So in California has 8.66 million cases in the past 24 hours. I think it's time to put on, not the Gucci's, honey. Let's put on these Nicole Millers. Let's put them on. Or should I put on the Gucci's? I don't even know where the Gucci's are. I don't know what I did with the Gucci's. All the money I made on lip gloss, I can't even find them. All right. Oof. I don't know. They need to make something for the cleaning. Maybe I don't know the proper etiquette of glasses. Do you clean them after you take them off, or do you clean them right before you put them on? Or I gotta clean them after I take them off because it's just, ouch, it just doesn't feel right. Let me see how my eyes are doing. Let me see. Let me tell you. Ooh, I put on my driving glasses after on Friday. I had a little something. I was explaining to my son. I put the glasses on, and it was like I had superpowers, like super driving powers. I was like, what is going on? Okay, so California has 8.66 million cases in the past 24 hours. 6,943 people have contracted it, which is really good. But this is Monday, because Mondays, Sundays and Mondays, those numbers are really low. And then Tuesday through Saturday, the numbers are really high. Okay, so as far as deaths, California has 81,582. In the past 24 hours, 67 people have passed away. Now, as far as the United States, 76.7 million. oof, people have been infected. In the past 24 hours, 60,524 people have contracted the coronavirus. Now, I didn't do this for the deaths in California. I think that's the first time I've never done it. Is it the first? I really not do it. I don't know why I started doing that. Just like I don't know why I started doing these. But anyway, okay, the deaths in California, 904,000. Almost, well, it's not almost a million. We have what? 96,000 more people. In the past 24 hours, 396. Again, these numbers are low. What I've noticed from the trend, Sunday and Monday numbers are low. Then on Tuesday through Saturday, numbers are high. Okay? All right. So here are the numbers. Here are the numbers. Here are the numbers. Here are the numbers. Okay? Here are the numbers. Here are. It's not a happy state, but I've been doing this for what, 2 years? 2 years now? Yeah, almost 2 years. I'm used to it. All right. All right. So that was California. Let's get to Texas. Let's get this ball rolling. Let's get this ball rolling, honey. All right. So in Texas, let's just do a couple of 1 day ago, 1 month ago. Let's go to the second page. 5 hours ago, North Texas, COVID-19 hospitalizations dropped by nearly 1,000 in 1 week. 6 hours ago, after record high, Texas A&M University COVID rates show slight, I'm assuming, decrease. Yeah, I was right. I was right because it wouldn't put increase. Come on. All right. So 16 hours ago, rescaling grants aim to help Texas students, workers impacted by COVID-19 distributions. Net Health CEO, new cases of COVID-19 trending downward. Omicron COVID-19 variant continues to impact areas in Deep East, I'm assuming Deep East Texas. Yes, and I was right. 13 hours ago, Jim Wells County's COVID cases fall 26%. Texas cases plummeted 26.6%. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm sorry. It's not you guys. It's not you. Texas couple named baby after doctor who saved unvaccinated mom with COVID-19 complications. That was sweet. 8 minutes ago, Houston COVID-19 cases continue to plummet after record-breaking Omicron peak, but ICU still full. See, I like that was a complete snippet of whatever. I didn't have to think or whatever. Everything was put on. Survey shows teachers leave profession due to COVID-19. I can understand, honey. I can understand. I can, and nurse, I can't. Anyway, they making so much money, those nurses. Texas man pleads guilty to threatening former Baltimore Health Commissioner Leana Wen over what? Over COVID vaccine. Ooh, honey. All right, they threatening folks. 5 days ago, okay. McLennan County COVID-19, excuse me if I mispronounce this cases. Hospital stays slow but freeze drop. Oh, I'm sorry. Hospital stays show post freeze drop. I'm so sorry. Parents name baby boy after doctor who treated mom with COVID. Oh, that is just so cute. Tyler County deaths top 600. Hendrick Health hospitalizations on decline. Texas Medical Center coronavirus updates. Hospitalizations decline. Epidemiologists providing mobile COVID outreach vaccine clinic. COVID-19 update. City of Lubbock reports 370 new cases, 5 additional deaths since Friday. 6 hours ago, former Harris County elections chief running for Houston mayor. Okay. Corona's tracker. I don't know what that election for mayor has to do with coronavirus, but downward trend in Bexar County cases suggest Omicron surge could be easing. I think it is. T-Mobile to terminate employees if not fully vaccinated against COVID-19. Ooh, honey, I say T-Mobile is not playing. Kentucky reports significant drop in new COVID-19 cases. Is T-Mobile located in Texas? That's a good question. Omicron shut down Texas schools and Governor Greg Abbott stayed silent. Tarrant County Public Health reports 19 COVID-19 deaths. Okay. Okay. Let's get to the. That get a little kind of confusing. All right, let's get to the numbers. So in Texas, Texas has 6.39 million cases in the past 24 hours. 18,058 people have contracted the virus. Now, as far as deaths, Texas has 80,980 people in the past 24 hours. 37 people have passed away. Okay, that's Texas. Texas, 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 Texas. I swear for these COVID cases, these COVID videos, they don't never put like this chart. Or I can leave this up for the entire video. They will not put it up as a thumbnail. They will not. All right, let's go to Florida. You guys know Florida. What are we going to get in Florida? What are we going to get in Florida? People love Florida. I can't see it. I mean, yeah, it's all right. It's all right. It's all right. You really used to say that as a kid. It's all right. Not it's all right, but it's all right. All right, new COVID cases, subvariant cases found in Florida. Experts. New subvariant of COVID-19 detected in South Florida. That's Miami. Okay, just want to let you guys know that. COVID. Florida reports 131,699 cases and 1,324 deaths in 1 week. Stealth Omicron detected. Florida COVID update, the latest on cases, hospitalizations, and deaths. COVID-19 cases continue to decline in Sarasota, Manatee area, and Florida. Florida Department, okay, no, that was 3 days ago. That's 3 days ago. What about 5 hours ago? Florida reports 32,035 new COVID-19 cases, 456 deaths. South Florida's Sun Centennial. Okay, that's totally different from the numbers that I just read. COVID-19 in Leon County cases plummet in schools, local jail, hospitalizations see slight decline. Florida COVID-19 hospitalizations to continue to fall. Florida appeals to keep COVID-19 data under wraps. Stay healthy. Florida State University COVID vaccines. 7 hours ago, okay, that's an update. Page 2, 1 hour ago, COVID-19, not gun violence, biggest killer of police in 2021 in U.S. law enforcement group reports. Wow. Report, COVID-19 brought flexibilities, but more needs to be done. That's crazy that COVID killed more cops than anything. That's kind of insane. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's get to the numbers, which I know we probably won't have the latest. Okay, so in Florida, Florida has 5.68 million cases in the past 24 hours. Okay, so hello? Oh. Um there's no new cases. You know how Florida is. They don't report weekend. I don't know why. Maybe everything's closed. Now, as far as deaths, they have 66,463 in the past 24 hours. I bet you it's going to say zero. Yeah, zero. So you know that brings down the average. Right? You got I'm telling you, Florida is a mess. Oh my God, this is a it's a mess. It's a mess. This is Florida. Those are the numbers for Florida. Today is February 7th, and these numbers are from February 6th. See, 0 cases. No new cases today. Nothing. Lies, 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 lies. Isn't this illegal for them to post the wrong numbers for the CDC? You know what? And I have proof. I mean, I'm documenting proof. So what can I say? What can we say? Okay, let's go to New York news. Okay, so 13 hours ago, New York COVID cases plummet 43%. Will Hochul lift mass vaccine mandates? What to know? New York's COVID. This is 2 days ago. Okay, 2 weeks ago. We have to go to the second page in order to get. Okay, New York cheerleaders protesting COVID-19 vaccine requirement at high school champions. Opinion: polio, chickenpox, and measles. COVID-19, the case for vaccine mandates in schools. Carrie Irving, still hopping for, or hoping for New York City COVID vaccine mandate change. Is he still playing? The at home hack that helps face mass fight COVID 19 better. COVID 19, New York pharmacies to refund patients for vaccine fees. Wait, they got fees? Oh, they're supposed to be free. COVID updates: several states moved to end some mask mandates. One additional COVID 19 death in Allegheny, Allegheny County. I know I'm pronouncing it right. Wrong. A school mask mandate to be lifted in New Jersey. Sorry. New York State lawmakers call for an investigation into nursing home COVID-19 deaths. Is the coronavirus in your backyard? Governor Hochul announces acceptance of Puerto Rico's COVID something. 6 hours ago, new study says COVID-19 vaccines are safe for cancer patients receiving chemotherapy, radiation, ... New majority of New York City residents ordered government's free at-home COVID test. 9 hours ago, who was the protesters and what they want? 10 hours ago, Nathan Chen shines in Olympic men's figure skating. Oh, did you guys see? Wherever, I think, where's the Olympics going? I think is it considered the Winter Olympics. They had some people, some kids who were, I guess if they had COVID or the COVID protocol, but they were literally stuck in their rooms. And they were talking about how depressed they were and how, one girl was crying. I was like, oh, poor baby. 18 hours ago, Alert Center, New York COVID-19 infection rate lowest since Omicron. New York State Department of Health provides self-attesting. California will end its indoor mask. Okay, that's California. We read about that. Ulster, yeah, Ulster County reports 4-day decline in active COVID-19 cases, total down to 675. Okay, one more page because it's New York. Canadian driver charged in COVID protests hit and run. New York City workers protest vaccine mandate ahead of termination deadline. Wow, New York is not playing. Jefferson County COVID-19 numbers decrease. It looks like it, from 14 hours ago. What will COVID being endemic mean for travel? Now that is something I would like to know because they need to open up Cuba. That's all I got to say. All right, so in New York City, we do New York City first and then we do New York State. So in New York City has 2.25 million cases. We don't know how many in the 24 hours because it's too late. Now, as far as deaths in New York City, not New York State, 38,876 people have passed away. We don't know how many in the past 24 hours. Now, as far as New York State has 4.84 million cases. Okay. So the New York State has 4.84 million cases in the past 24 hours. 4,978 people not passed away, have contracted the virus. Now, as far as deaths, New York State, not New York City, New York State has 65,217 in the deaths. In the past 24 hours, 97 people have passed away. Okay, that's it. Oh, honey, under 25 minutes. That is it for, what is it, February, what's today, February 7th. So these numbers for February 6th. We don't know why Florida can't can't count on the weekends. I have no idea. Like they can't count on Sunday, Saturday, Sunday. I don't know. Or Sundays. I just don't know. I don't know why they don't want to pay people the extra money to go in the office. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea. Okay, that's it. It looks like things are, the numbers are coming down. Hopefully in California, we will be maskless. We will be maskless. Now, that doesn't mean that the pandemic, and they're talking about the endemic, um, will not. I don't know. I don't know because these numbers are still high. But after 2 years, I don't know. I still think they're trying to save the stock market. I don't know. Almost a million people. We're almost up to a million people. We're 96,000 people away from a million, and they still don't know what to do. Anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Have a lovely week. Have an amazing week. I shall try. Stay positive, stay progressive, and stay at peace within yourselves. Okay, bye.